In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the reverse charging on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I'm going to be showing you how to properly use that feature on the phone. Let's go. The first thing you're going to do on your Samsung Galaxy phone, let's go ahead and open the settings. Then scroll all the way down until you see the setting, battery and device care. Let's go ahead and open the setting. Now let's go ahead and click on battery. Scroll all the way down and you will see the setting, wireless power sharing. Let's go ahead and click on that setting. And now guys, just turn on that setting and you're gonna be able to use the wireless reverse charging on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Once you turn on the setting, sometimes you have 15 seconds for you to place the other phone, the phone you're gonna charge, on top of the Samsung Galaxy phone. Just like that. And as you can see, it's working perfectly, guys. So you can do that on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra. Now guys, something that you need to know. So let me go back to the setting right here. So if you can turn on this setting on your Samsung Galaxy phone, that means your phone battery doesn't have enough charge. So your phone needs to be charged over 30%. So right down here, you have a setting where you can change the battery limit, the percentage. So let's go ahead and open the setting. And right here, if your phone is set at 50%, you can just take that down to 30% and click on OK. So that means now when your phone battery is, charged over 30%, you can use the reverse charging of your Samsung Galaxy phone. So right now, as you can see, my phone battery is only 22% charged, so it's not enough charge for me to use the reverse charging feature on this phone. Please, if you have any question, just drop it at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share this video, and I will see you in my next video, guys.